Snow or no snow, we showed up anyway. We're Kevin and Stacy. We live in our family compound, find adventure in every day, and live life being free. This winter, we're on a Colorado winter adventure, visiting 6 ski towns.
All right, so we're heading to our next adventure, which is Keystone, Colorado,
where Christmas gets a little cozier, a little louder, and a whole lot sweeter. This one's extra special because family is joining us. Taylor, Eric, Sean, Kenzie, and of course, Eamon, our ridiculously cute grandson who somehow keeps stealing the spotlight. Now, full disclosure, the snow situation, not exactly what we dreamed of, but when the mountains don't deliver powder, we pivot and somehow end up with something even better. On our way to Keystone. Next stop, Frisco, Colorado, aka if a Hallmark movie and a ski town had a baby. Twinkly lights, colorful storefronts, cozy vibes everywhere you look. If you don't feel festive here, check your pulse. This is one of our favorite mountain towns and it never disappoints. It is an absolutely beautiful day and it's been a bit on the warm side, so we are going to enjoy the beautiful warm day and go for a walk at the Dillon Reservoir, which is so beautiful. I said beautiful a lot of times there, didn't I?
So much beautifulness. And this beautifulness right next to me is just so beautiful.
Maybe I was trying to give him a hint so that I could feel good about myself. We rented a house within walking distance of Keystone's River Run Village, which basically means no driving, no stress, and yes, hot chocolate whenever we want. River Run is the heart of Keystone. Shops, restaurants, lights, and that classic ski village energy that just feels like Christmas.
All right, so we've made it to the condo and looks like a great place. We're gonna go in and check it out.
We're gonna give you a quick tour of our condo here because we're very excited about it. We've got a great kitchen with everything we need here, including instructions how to get to the ski hill, which, let me just say, I can look out the window and see people skiing. We're that close. We can just walk right to the ski hill. We've got a great living room with a fireplace.
So this bedroom has bunk beds and an additional bed, nice closet, a chest of drawers, a little desk. Bathroom number 1, shower tub combo.
We have a fantastic master room with a very comfortable bed. I can lay in my bed and see the ski hill. I'm not leaving this place the entire time except for to hit the ski hill. And we have a nice bathroom with the tub and shower, and they put a pack and play in here for Eamon. This place is perfection.
We also have a garage and an additional parking spot.
This house is so cute.
Eamon Troy. Eamon! Standing in the kitchen, Eamon. One of the highlights of the week was a train ride in Leadville. And wow, this one surprised us. We hopped aboard the historic Leadville, Colorado and Southern Railroad, riding through snow-dusted forests and wide-open mountain valleys at over 10,000 feet. The vintage rail cars, the slow pace, the mountain views, it felt like stepping back in time. Cozy, nostalgic, and absolutely magical, especially with the family along for the ride.
Oh, look at it, Santa!
Merry Christmas! Have you been good this year, buddy? So good, so good. It's your birthday. Oh, it's your birthday. Here's a gift, buddy. You go. Yay! Merry Christmas and happy birthday.
Thank you, Santa.
He says ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Somewhere between mountain views and Christmas prep, we celebrated something huge, Eamon's first birthday, 1 year old. And Eamon's favorite food is pizza, so tonight we're making pizza. One pizza.
You're good. Thank you for Eamon. He's very special. Amen.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
dear, amen. Happy birthday to
You
you.
blow it out, you go.
Yay! Yeah! Oh. Yes. Yum.
He's gonna be like, tonight. Is that good?
Sugar.
Because it wouldn't be a mountain Christmas without it, we bundled up and went on a sleigh ride. Jingle bells, crisp air, quiet, snowy paths, the kind of experience that makes you slow down and just take it all in. And Eamon found something he absolutely loved.
Sing a sleighing song tonight. One horse open sleigh. The most famous reindeer of all. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would hear say it glows.
Midweek, the party officially leveled up. Kenzie and Sean arrived flying in from Atlanta, Georgia. More hugs, more laughs, more snacks mysteriously disappearing, and lots more skiing.
We have socks on so we can get up.
Does anybody remember the code? Does anybody remember the code?
I have
know the garage
I have my
code.
phone.
Welcome.
Here.
Thank you.
You made it.
Yes, we skied Keystone, even with limited snow, and honestly still had a blast. We're walking to the ski lift. We did the first run, school one, which was 3.5 miles. I've never been where there's like dirt on the ski trail in Colorado. Wasn't terrible, but we did the first run and now it's like 30, supposed to be like 36 degrees right now. Keystone knows how to make the most of what they've got. And skiing together, laughing, layering up, warming up is what really mattered. And then, of course, we had an experience that we absolutely never thought we would get.
You might wonder why we're just sitting here, not moving.
We're stuck.
Apparently, the gondola closes when it gets windy. See those doors right there? Right there? We have to wait for them to open. So we're stuck on the mountain, looking at
Skis.
this.
Yeah, without our skis.
Yeah, and we have no skis with us.
If we had them, we could have, toughened it out at least a little.
No, unless we walk down.
No.
I will slide down on my belly like
On my belly.
like a penguin. I will. Everyone else will see me and be like, "Wow, wish I was that guy."
At least we have this view. Not the view of me. Let me see if I can flip it around.
Get back out here. She's coming out. Is she? She's right there.
She didn't open the door.
Open those doors.
So it looks like that it's going to be windy until a long time. So what's going to happen now is they're sending ski patrol with the toboggans to take us off the mountain, to get us back to where we can actually get on a gondola, a lift. First we'll take a lift, then we'll go to another gondola. and then we'll be able to get down.
Mind you, this is one of 2 gondolas closed in all of Keystone.
Here comes our ride.
It looks as though your chariot has arrived. So this is gonna be. No.
Not these ones.
So we'll do 2 and 2. Okay. Bobsled team style.
Nice.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll take
Get
it.
to Ruby and take Ruby up. The gondola's down because of wind. If you guys need a ride, we'll circle, but their skis are. If you could ski, that'd be preferred for sure. Go down this way, right? Affirmative, yes, sir. Yeah, these guys, their skis are on the other side, unfortunately. Just however you can fit in there. Do what you need to do.
That was literally the most fun I've ever had on the ski hill. That was so much fun.
It was so fun and so scary.
It was. We went so fast, and now we have to walk up this other lift. So now we're on the ski lift without skis, which feels so weird. And when we get to the top, they're gonna have to slow down the whole ski lift so that we can actually get off and walk over to the gondola.
These guys are gonna talk about us later too. They're gonna be like, I'm like, hey, get a load of this guy. Take these folks down the hill and they didn't have no skis.
I'm telling you, that was so much fun.
That was cool.
So much fun. It was so fast. I cannot believe he could literally ski like that with us
Is that where
on
we
the back of
came
him.
from, like that way?
Yeah. Wow.
It was like getting in trouble but being slapped on the hand like, we might do it again.
That was literally the best time of my life. It was so fun.
It was fun. It was actually though going so fast. The video does not do it.
It
justice.
does not do it justice at all. Snow flying in your face.
Yeah.
I think I was like this the whole way down.
We flew
Because
by
it was so fun.
every skier.
Yeah, and we were flying by skiers like there was nothing, and there's just like, on your right, as we went by everybody like 100 miles per hour.
I was thinking if he like wipes out and the sled goes loose, we'll be going like 150 miles an hour down the
And
hill.
even if you knocked out of the sled, you'd be
tumble.
really hurt.
You'd tumble.
It was the most
Yeah, I
fun.
mean, we were going as fast as I would normally like ski at my top speed.
It was
way
faster, way faster than my speed on this hill has ever been.
I have never gone that fast.
They were amazing skiers, amazing.
Amazing.
So thankful for them, and we're gonna get to our Christmas lunch. That was the whole problem.
And
And
the second we went, the gondola started.
Like as soon as we started going down, what is it, Prospector?
Yeah.
Like I looked up and I was like,
We got down and our guy said, "Did you see the second we started? It started going."
Which I'm so
so
glad we didn't
that
get to ride on the
exactly,
gondola.
yeah, that was way worth it.
Way more fun than the gondola.
I think they should charge for rides like that. That's amazing.
I'd pay money.
Yes.
Christmas Eve is our night. Appetizers everywhere, games around the table, family contributions, and our first holiday bake-off, British baking show style, minus the accents and with slightly more chaos.
All right, so we have our contributions for Christmas Eve. My name is Prue Lift,
And I'm Paulski Hollywood.
and welcome to Keystone Baking Show.
The Great
Keystone Baking Show.
And Eamon soaked up attention like it was his full-time job. Christmas morning started exactly how it should. Sausage roll at breakfast, reading the Christmas story, presents, laughter, and a slow, cozy brunch. Later, some skiing, some relaxing, and lots of simply being together. This will likely be our last Christmas in Colorado until all the grandkids are older. And while it's bittersweet to let go of something we love so much, it's also a reminder. New adventures, new seasons, and change are what keep life exciting. This Christmas in Keystone will always be one we cherish, and we can't wait to see what memories come next. Get out there, have an adventure, and be free. See you in the next adventure.